Hey everyone, welcome back to Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul. Ever since I posted the cream of broccoli soup recipe, I've had two specific requests. One was to make the soup without using cream, and two was to make an easy mushroom soup. So I've taken both of these into consideration, and today we are going to make a quick and easy cream of mushroom soup using milk. So let's get started. To a pan on high heat, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You can also use coconut oil or butter instead. Add 1 chopped onion, 6 cloves of garlic, and sweat them in the oil for about 30 seconds. Now add a teaspoon of thyme. I'm using dried thyme. Wait for it to release its aroma. It smells incredible. Now add 5 stalks of celery which is chopped and 1 stem of leek which is chopped as well. Now, if you don't have celery and leek, you don't have to worry. Use 2 carrots and 1 potato instead, and it won't change the taste. Now add 400 grams of roughly chopped mushrooms. I'm using white button mushrooms. You can use any variety. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. As you know, the salt will help the veggies to cook faster. Now saute for about 3 minutes. You will notice that the mushrooms are going brown. So now is the time to add the hot water. I'm going to add 1 liter of hot water followed by 2 stock cubes. Now with the stock cubes, you can use veg or mushroom or chicken. I personally prefer chicken because the meaty taste of the chicken works well with the mushrooms. Right. Add quarter cup of flour of your choice. Now again, you can use plain flour, but if you're gluten free, use arrowroot or cassava flour. Please don't use cornstarch because it tends to change the taste of the soup. Add 500 ml of milk. It could be dairy or soy milk, and then give a mix. Ooh, it looks beautiful. Now, once the soup comes to a boil, you'll have to cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes. I'm using a heavy bottomed pan, so I only had to cook my soup for about 5 minutes. So, once the time's over, our soup's ready to be blended. Now, blend the soup with a handheld blender. Always take care while handling hot liquids. Please make sure that the blades are always immersed in the soup to avoid the soup from spilling. Wow, it looks beautiful, isn't it? You get this beautiful silky soup. Plating up. Add some soup to a soup bowl. You can serve the soup as a starter or have as a meal. In actual fact, it's a wholesome soup. Definitely works well for a meal. You just have to add some nuts and seeds of your choice. What I'm doing is adding some sorted mushrooms for presentation and some rosemary, salt and pepper croutons which I made at home. And then I'm going to top it up with some sage leaves for presentation. Voila! Our soup is ready to enjoy. So I hope you enjoy making this cream of mushroom soup. Now it's time to say bye. Before I leave, as usual, I want to give you a pro tip. We all know that mushrooms are powerhouse of nutrients, but did you know that mushrooms can actually produce vitamin D in adequate amounts when exposed to sunlight or artificial light containing UVB rays? So some of the supermarkets here in the UK are now marketing vitamin D enriched mushrooms. So next time you go shopping, do look out for them because they are a vegan source of vitamin D. That's it for today. Stay happy, stay healthy. This is Vishwa signing off for Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul.